Hi, this is how you put the JBL Live 780NC into pairing mode to be able to connect the headphones to a new phone, computer or other device. If it is the first time you are turning the headphones on, they automatically enter pairing mode, something that is then indicated both by a voice saying pairing as well as that the little LED light next to the on-off button starts blinking blue. If this is not the case, you can then instead initiate pairing mode yourself by pushing the on-off button downwards and holding it there for about 2 to 3 seconds, whereupon the voice then goes pairing and the LED light starts blinking blue. After this, just open up the Bluetooth settings on whatever device you want to connect the headphones to and follow the on-screen instructions on the specific device to connect them to it. To get the most out of the headphones, it is also very recommended to download the JBL Headphones app. This is available through the normal Google Play Store and App Store and gives you a lot of options to adjust both the sound and how the headphones operates in terms of functionality, button adjustments, etc. Also, if you want to make a device forget the headphones so that they don't automatically connect to the device every time you turn them on, this is done through the device's own Bluetooth settings where you need to select the headphones and then choose to forget them. You can also make the headphones themselves forget all their connected devices by restoring them to their factory settings. This also restores any settings that you have made to the headphones. Please see this video on how to do that, also available down in the video description. Alright, that is about that. Thank you for watching. Bye.